There's something special about the first breath of salty air, the first time you feel the ocean's pull, and the first dive beneath the waves with a spear gun. Today my son takes that step into a world I've come to know well. This is more than just a fishing trip. It's a rite of passage, a chance to share what I love with the next generation. It's his first time spearfishing, and we're at the perfect place, the Florida Keys, where life beneath the surface thrives. What's going on? Welcome back to Uncharted Florida. We are out here, going out to the bay here to do a little bit of spearfishing. We got our first brand new spear gun here today. We're gonna go out. The goal is to get a hogfish or a mangrove snapper. Let's go. When you're dropping these pinfish traps out here in the Keys, they get stolen a lot. So I'll show you this rig on how you tie a piece of rope over the top that's just shallower than the depth of the water. So that way it sits subsurface at about 2 or 3 feet with an orange float at the top. I don't know if you can see it right there, but you mark it on your GPS, you stick your dock or your hook, your gaff in, you can pull them out, and that'll reduce the amount of theft you get. As a parent, you want to teach your kids everything you know. You want to pass down your passion, your knowledge, but at the end of the day, it's their journey, their dive. We start by practicing how to dive down with the spear gun in the ready position, swimming slowly as to not spook the fish. We've never dove the spot before and find a ledge with an abundance of many good-sized lobster packed in every hole, and they aren't shy at all. Lobster isn't the mission of the day, so we'll continue to explore, but we will save the spot for a future adventure. We haven't seen many reef fish like snapper or hogfish to target at this spot, so we'll head to shallower water that's a little more murky, which should allow us to get closer to the fish. I teach him how to load the spear gun. Pulling the bands back can be tricky. For his first hunt, we'll use 1 band, but the gun can use 2 for bigger fish or farther shots. I show him to be mindful of where the gun is pointed at all times, and where he should and shouldn't place his hands during the shot. For now, it's just him and I in the water. That way we don't have to worry about someone just out of view in the murky water. He zeroes in on a nice mangrove snapper and sets up for the shot. Good shot. Good first shot. That is. How'd it feel? Awesome. Of course, the first shot didn't go as planned, but that's part of the journey, right? Every miss is a lesson, every dive a step closer to success. We notice that most of the fish are hanging out around this specific coral head, and if you float here long enough, even after taking a shot, the fish will return. So close. Close. He spots a red grouper inside the opening of the coral head and calls me over to help gauge the size. It was close. We even took a measuring stick down to help, but this was a great opportunity to teach him that when there's any question at all of the size of the fish, not to take the shot. We spend the next few hours getting the hang of things. He was improving with every dive, with every shot.
The guys are using the spear gun to see what they can find.
The beauty of spearfishing isn't just about the fish. It's about mastering your skills, finding your rhythm, and earning every shot.
They're bringing in a snapper. Hold it up! Woo! Good job! Look at that guy!
Fish, all right. Good one.
Is there a shark down there? What kind? What kind of shark?
Bonnethead. Right after we pack up the spear gun, he spots a nice hogfish, camouflaged, hiding beneath a rock. Lindsay passes us the quickest spear on deck, which is the pole spear. This could be his shot at a hogfish, but he needs to act quick and keep an eye on the fish.
Grip as tight as you can on his gills.
He's coming in with his first hogfish that he speared.
In these moments beneath the waves, where I see the bond between father and son grow, it's not just about fishing, it's about learning to be patient, trust yourself, and to respect the ocean and all its creatures.
Great job! You have stuff on your thing. Oh my gosh, that is a huge hogfish!
Good job!
Oh my gosh!
So proud of you.
I can't believe you got that! I mean, I can believe it. I'm just so excited for you!
Alright, let's put it over the boat so you can't get off. Do you want to hand it to Mama?
I know this is just the beginning for him, the start of a lifelong love for the sea, for the adventure it holds, and for the bond we've strengthened beneath the waves.
Let's go in and check it out.
Tired from all the diving, we decided to spend the rest of the day fishing for yellowtail and mangrove snapper and anything else that'll bite. I'll leave you to enjoy the rest of the day's action, which was a memorable family fishing day in the Keys. To start with, we're just going to use a 2-aught circle hook here and chunks of shrimp. And we're going to put that on. If they're shy to that, we'll put some oats in the water right at the same time, and that oat's going to create kind of a cloud, and it's going to kind of mask that line. First line going in. Just gonna let that, I already feel it getting hit. Gonna free line it back, be natural. There we go.
Woo!
Oh, you know what it is? It is a houndfish.
Oh, it's a big one.
It's a big one. We did a video on these last year. These are actually pretty dangerous. Their beak is super sharp. And he swallowed that, so we're just gonna cut the line there and let him go and tie on a different hook. We're gonna tie on some of these weighted yellowtail hooks to try to get that shrimp down a little sooner and keep them away from the surface fish like those houndfish. All right, going down. Already hit. There we go, fish on. All right, yellowtail. Just like that. A little small, but we're on.
Gave you your bait back.
All right. Yellowtail have to be 12 inches total length, so you pinch their tail and then take the total measurement from the tip of their nose to the pinched tail. There we go. Another yellowtail. The longer we go, the bigger the fish will get. Whoa!
Whoa, fish on. Oh no.
Fish.
Ah.
Careful, don't reel him straight into the boat. All right, big jumps.
What type of fish?
Houndfish. Bring him up to me.
Here, look
You
at
okay?
the long pliers. You want the long ones, Dada? Which pliers do you want? The long ones? Skinny.
Cool fish, huh?
Feisty.
All right, so this is what we mean by free line the shrimp. You got a hook, and this one happens to be weighted with a little piece of shrimp, and you're just gonna toss it in and leave the bail open and feed out the line. You're gonna let it go back, and it's gonna go down. You're gonna feel some bites. I think I can already tell we're on right now, but it lets it get down to the bottom and the back of the school. We're gonna close the bail. Oh, and we got robbed, and that happens. So you got to do it over and over again.
Keep your hand on the line. When you feel something on it, close the bail. Do you have something?
There you go. You're on. Set the hook.
Ooh, yellowtail.
Tail.
Yeah.
All right, I see some big mangroves in the front of the school here, so we're gonna do a toss of oats right into the water over there. Go ahead. The whole thing, all at once. All at once. There we go. We're gonna set this shrimp right in that to float back.
Nope, that's perfect.
Ooh, you're on. Ooh, double hunter. Get it in the boat.
There you go.
Turn it around this way. I'm not sure.
Oh, it's a good mangrove.
Is it big enough?
I don't.
Oh, we'll have to measure that. All
This
right,
is a-
good mangrove.
It's questionable.
Here we go, mangrove over here.
Mangrove and a yellowtail.
All right. These are what we're after. A little bit bigger.
Wait till it starts pulling though.
There we go.
Woo, fish on.
All right.
I can see
All right.
mangrove.
Nice mangrove. Pretty. Look at those colors.
Wow.
Needs to grow a little bit.
Yeah.
Stuff
All right, fish on. What is
Whoa.
it?
Oh, it looks like a good
Oh,
one.
we got a yellowtail.
All
Bring it
right.
in, bring it in.
Look at that. Pretty yellowtail.
Oh, got a yellowtail.
My luck.
All right, fish on.
All right. Good
Woo!
mangrove.
Oh, that one's good size.
Keeper.
Let's
All
just
right.
measure it just in
Let's
case.
measure
Okay,
it.
Maybe.
here you go.
Maybe it's not the exact size we want.
What size are we looking for?
10.
All right. Look back there. All right. It's 11.
Right there on that dot.
Oh,
so
10 and a half.
keeper.
All right. It's a keeper. Do you want to see why they call it a mangrove snapper? Or a snapper? You do not want to get your finger in there. They have huge canine teeth.
Snap, snap.
And they will latch on and you'll need pliers to get them off. And it hurts. It's happened to me
I
at
was
least
gonna
twice.
say, you know from experience.
Look at that. Right there. Those canines. Youch, that hurts. Oh, it's a
All
yellowtail,
right,
I
fish
think.
on. Right in the
A
oatmeal.
little bit better one. All right.
Woo!
Might be a keeper.
Yeah.
Measure that up.
I thought I saw it on 12.
Just shy.
Just show.
All right, I'm gonna wait till it goes behind the boat just a little bit.
Why
And I'm gonna drop
everybody
mine-
put stuff above my head?
Then I'm
that's
gonna
like
drop the
fish
bait
or
right
shrimp?
into the middle of it. Right, I think we're on. There we go.
Woo!
Yellowtail.
Not big enough.
Not big enough.
Definitely not.
Oh,
You caught the remora?
Yeah. Wait, what's that? Maybe? Oh. Or more, That's something we
All right, so what happens when you catch these? You have to let it
attached to
grab
somebody.
on your calf, right?
All right, bring your calf over here. Come here.
Oh. Yeah.
All right, we got an
I like your
attachment.
accessory.
Lift your leg up.
Looks nice.
Hey, buddy.
You must be pretty
Oh, that.
algae.
He almost has a spike.
Whoa.
Ow, that's spikes.
Looks good.
Oh.
Your
All
pet
right.
fell off.
Get him back.
Your pet fell off.
Little lane snapper.